Welcome to Neural Designer University, your guided course for mastering neural networks with Neural Designer. In this course, you'll learn how to build, train, evaluate, and deploy neural network models. Neural Designer is a high-performance machine learning platform powered by advanced mathematics and optimized C++ algorithms. This essentials-level training guides you step by step through the entire machine learning workflow. You'll learn how to load data, build models, interpret results, and generate predictions, all in a clear, practical way. Each video is short, practical, and designed to help you follow along directly in the software. By the end of the course, you will be able to complete a full machine learning project with confidence. This course is ideal for data analysts, engineers, researchers, and professionals who want to apply neural networks to real-world problems without writing code. No prior knowledge of neural networks is required, only basic familiarity with data files and numerical analysis. You will start by learning the interface and the fundamentals, then explore data preparation, model building, evaluation, explainability, and deployment. A series of real use cases will guide you through practical applications in healthcare, manufacturing, and finance. Let's get started. In the next video, you'll discover what Neural Designer is and how it fits into the modern machine learning workflow.